Welcome to Deluxe Materials, the finest range of high-quality products specially designed for model railway enthusiasts. At Deluxe Materials we're both chemists and modellers. That gives us a competitive advantage, as well as a unique insight into the products railway modellers really want. Our passion translates into innovative products tailored perfectly to the requirements of your hobby. All our ranges are thoroughly researched and tested by modellers to ensure they deliver. Time now to take a quick tour of our dedicated model railway range, including our adhesives, accessories and scenic products. For each one, you'll get an overview and a summary of their benefits and key features. Let's begin with our specialist adhesives. For hassle-free model railway ballasting, there's our Ballast Bond Specialist Adhesive. It offers easy, rapid penetration and bonding of railway ballast and other scatters without disturbing the ballast particles underneath. It's ready to use out of the bottle, spreads rapidly and dries in 1 to 2 hours to a clear, matte, realistic finish. Ballast Bond is our fail-safe alternative to PVA. Ballast Magic and our Ballast Magic kit take a different approach to ballasting. It's a new way of working, where you mix the powder with your chosen material to cover large areas with great control. Just mix, apply, then spray with water for an instant activation and grab, with time to adjust your chosen effect and clear away critical areas, like working points. If you make a mistake, the bond is reversible with hot water. There's no comparable product on the market. Here's one of our best sellers. Roket Card Glue is for clean and neat cardstock modelling applications. It reduces considerably the build time for card kits. It also bonds wood and plastics to card instantly. It's non-staining, safe and non-toxic. Use sparingly for best results. Remember, the time savings you'll get are important. In the period it would take to make one card model with PVA, you could build several with our specialist glue. When it comes to fixing or creating crystal clear windows, turn to glue and glaze. This specially formulated liquid plastic polymer will not fog clear plastics. Glue and glaze dries crystal clear and fills and seals gaps. It's non-stringy and it's simply cleaned with water. As it's a polymer, it has a dual use. You can apply it to actually create windows by drawing it across an opening. It creates a clear film, just like glazing. Rinse the dispensing nozzle in water after use to prevent clogging. Our View Glue Backscene adhesive allows you to position and fix your panoramic backgrounds with ease to a wrinkle-free finish. It's been tested on all major suppliers of backscenes. With a smooth adjustable bond and brushable nature, you can apply over both surfaces to smooth out any air bubbles. Flatten with a roller, remove any marks and clean up safely with water and a sponge. To glue foam used in landscaping and terrain structures, there's our Adhesive, foam to foam. It works with EPS and EPO foam, wood and most common plastics. It offers instant hold and an impact-resistant bond once dry, high tack with sufficient time to adjust, and it dries clear. Railway modellers will appreciate a quick and easy way to glue scatter. Scatter Grip is an adhesive that is superior to PVA and allows time to adjust your surface scatters. It stays tacky, ready to accept more scatter when needed. Fix scatter and foliage with our Scenic Spray glue. Use it on landscapes or trees thanks to its gentle spray action. It allows plenty of working time, is non-staining and dries clear and tacky. Tacky Wax is a temporary adhesive for small parts, making positioning delicate pieces like railway signs, loco lights and people easy. It allows repositioning and is easily removed with soapy water. Now our Superphatic glue. This is a safe, non-fuming alternative to cyano superglues. It's a super thin, penetrating adhesive that is ideal for joining different materials, including wood, plastic and card. It allows time to clean up and reposition joints, has a fast drying time, and it reinforces the surrounding joint area and even bonds wood to plastic and foam. Superfatic is ideal for wood laser cut kits like these station buildings. Remember, there are no fumes, it's super penetrating, you get an extended drying time, and it offers good adhesion to hard and soft wood. Our comprehensive range of adhesives also includes our fast-drying and strong water-based Speed Bond PVA glue, specially formulated for modelling. It offers high strength, faster working times, water cleanup and a pleasant odour. When dry, it can be sanded smooth. Need a super glue? Then our Roket range of high-quality, fast-setting cyano glues are for you. There are several to choose from, and they bond almost all common model railway materials. Our range offers a choice of setting times and viscosities for every task. Roket Hot is our most fluid and free-flowing super thin glue, setting in 1 to 5 seconds. Roket Rapid is slightly thicker for a bond that dries in 5 to 10 seconds. Roket Max is our most viscous and non-runny grade of superglue. It sets in 10 to 20 seconds. As it's thicker, it's ideal for less dexterous modelers, offering more control and better gap filling. Plus, it's easier to work with. For a safe, non-fogging alternative, there's Roket Odorless, which can be used on clear windows and is also safe on foam. It dries in 10 to 20 seconds. Lastly, our Roket Cyano Glue Gel is a non-runny, high-strength gel superglue that bonds in 10 seconds and easily fills gaps. Again, as it's thicker, it's ideal for less dexterous modelers, offering more control. With a super thin, medium, high viscosity and gel type glue in the Roket Cyano range, they come packed in oval bottles or a metal tube for easy dispensing and a long shelf life. Remember that our Roket glue tips will help with the application of a number of these glues too. These one-piece glue tips offer instant fit and precise glue delivery, so no more mess. Tips have a long reach of 8 cm but can be cut to shorter lengths. You can also stretch them to get a smaller point to administer fine glue lines time after time. They fit a number of our glues including Superfatic, our Roket glues and other bottles like Ballast Bond and more. Just leave the tips on your bottles to stop any spillages. Roket Blaster is our cyano accelerator. It's a fast and powerful catalyzer which helps bonding of different surfaces by rapidly curing the glue. Roket Blaster is very useful for gap filling. Apply Roket Blaster with a brush or spray it before gluing, or spray immediately after gluing, and watch our glues bond in seconds. It comes in a 50ml spray bottle or a 250ml top-up bottle. Here's a tip: store our Roket Blaster away from your cyano bottles. Time for a unique filling powder that strengthens cyano joints. It's our Roket Powder. It flows into cavities where it sets hard in seconds when in contact with our Roket Cyano glues. For instant setting to a metal-like bond, use Roket Hot. Roket Powder helps you create instantly stronger fillets, fill holes, or repair and replace lost material. Once dry, it creates a bond stronger than using cyano glue alone, and it can be drilled, filed and even tapped. For a perfect finish, use a metal file rather than abrasive paper to sand. If you have an accident or an unwanted superglue stain, use our handy debonder and dissolver of cyano glues, Glue Buster. It can release glued skin in minutes and removes superglue deposits with ease. It doesn't evaporate and stays put for a faster action. Onto our plastic glues now. For the effortless construction of your kits, Plastic Magic is a versatile new low-odour liquid solvent glue that produces invisible glue lines. And now, thanks to a new more stable and sturdy bottle, you can say goodbye to spillages. Plastic Magic glues plastics that other glues cannot, and now offers a choice of 2 brushes for high precision and long reach applications. It offers a fast non-clog action, longer time on the brush, and you can reach every last drop, so there's no waste. Use the separately available Plastic Magic brush pack to deliver the tiniest drops of your chosen solvent liquid glues in the hardest to reach places. If you're looking for a fast drying plastic cement, there's our plastic kit glue. It's clog resistant and comes with a long fine tip neck, giving an easy to use glue that bonds commonly used kit plastic as well as wood. Roket Plastic Glue is a low odour, non-flammable, non-toxic liquid plastic cement that comes with a fine non-clog applicator. It has a slow evaporation and sets in 8 to 10 seconds within visible joints. It's also water washable. Finally, for high strength adhesion across gaps, use our 2-part rapid setting Speed Epoxy 2. With an easy 1:1 mix ratio and clear setting formula, it bonds metal, wood and hard plastic. Keep tightly closed and in a cool place. Don't forget, we provide you with detailed technical product information, how-to guides and instructional videos on our website and those of our many distributor partners. You can also find these videos on our YouTube channel, and you can share our videos by cutting and pasting the links and emailing. Time for the Deluxe Materials range of accessories, all perfectly designed for model railway uses. A must-have railway-specific product is our Tacky Magic track and electrical contact cleaner. Its cleverly formulated solution maximises conductivity and reliability, reviving old track and helping new track perform optimally. It cuts through dirt, absorbing it onto the cleaner pads, leaving behind a protective conducting film. Tacky Magic works in low-power confined space conditions and even works with track cleaning vehicles. Just minimise contact with plastics and always use the pads to avoid contaminating the bottle. You can pick up more of our unique Tacky Magic swabs to clean your track. They're available in all common gauges and come bundled with a micro brush, thanks to our Tacky Magic accessory pack. Tricky Stick is a special primer for cyano glues that makes bonding shiny plastics such as polythene, vinyl and nylon a lot easier. Simple to use, joints are strong and dry fast. Just apply with a supplied brush, add superglue and bring together. Our living steam is a scent and smoke oil with a nostalgic aroma of steam railways. It can be used with smoke generators or on absorbent materials. It's non-flammable and safe to use, and will help you create the heady odour of burning coal smoke and steam. Liquid Gravity is a free-flowing weighting system that fills small cavities and can be fixed in place with Roket Hot, Roket Card Glue for deep layers, or Ballast Magic. It's non-toxic and very heavy. Next is Strip Magic, a trouble-free paint stripper for all paints used on resin, metal and plastic surfaces. You control the pace of paint stripping by neutralising with alcohol, making it great for weathering. Attack each paint layer at a time, or just strip away a complete paint finish in a fast and low odour way. When finished with Strip Magic, wash away with alcohol. Brush Magic cleans and restores brushes, making even heavily caked ones look like new. It's safe and non-flammable, won't evaporate and can be washed away with water. It works with all types of paints. It also works well with airbrushes, preserving and cleaning them in the same way. Rounding off the range of Deluxe Materials accessories are these handy products. Our Pinpoint Syringe Kit helps with the accurate application of thick PVA type glues, like our Speed Bond. It comes with 2 dispensing syringes and a selection of 3 fine needles. It's easily filled from the rear and simple to clean using water. Just remember to leave it immersed in water to prevent clogging. Our Pinpoint Bottle Kit also comes with 3 different tips in a small, soft dosing bottle. It's suited for those who prefer the action of a bottle, and it's ideal for ballasting uses. Our Pin Flow Applicator, meanwhile, is a solvent glue dispenser, especially designed to deliver the right amount of glue. With a long reach into inaccessible areas, it's perfect for small parts thanks to the invisible glue lines it produces with Plastic Magic. And replacement tips are easily fitted. Just use hot water to release the tip. Our next accessory is Perfect Plastic Putty, a water-based, non-shrinking model filler, which fills fine gaps, creates invisible seams, and is cleaned up with water. You can colour it easily, and it's ideal for surface texturing. To stop it drying out, squeeze the tube to expel air. Don't release, and then screw on the cap. You can find out more about all these products via our YouTube channel. Time to explore our model railway friendly Scenic range, offering high quality creative possibilities. After a wintry scene, try our Scenic Snow kit. For dramatic winter snow effects, this complete set gives you what you need. It's ultra realistic and works in minutes, creating newly fallen and melted or refrozen snow. Sprinkle it from the dispenser and use all the elements of the kit, including high brightness snowflakes, icy sparkles, and Scenic Bond adhesive. There's full instructions included and video tutorials online. To add a wintry dimension to any scene, sprinkle our icy sparkles, which are available separately. For piled or shoveled snow, use our dedicated product, Shoveled Snow. Create realistic drifts, snowmen, and deep snow, complete with footprints or tyre tracks, when mixed with Speed Bond or fixed directly with Scenic Spray. Scenic Rust is a two-stage system that easily creates an authentic scale rust finish with real texture. There's hundreds of possible model railway uses. Scenic Rust gets to work straight after application to create a long-lasting and real rust finish on plastic, wood and metal within hours. Here it is in action. Brush on the binder adhesive, apply the powder with dry brush, followed by developer. Then watch the rust emerge. To simulate crystal clear deep water in rivers, lakes or pools, use our solid water. This simple to use, hard and durable two-part resin system offers a low odour solution to this task. It sets hard overnight without shrinkage and is also ideal for flowing waterways, especially when textured with making waves. For deeper water, apply successive thin layers. Scenic Fibres can be used to make up to 1 metre of realistic looking falling water effects. It's a simple method to make waterfalls or white water. Cut to length and glue. You can harden once in place using firm hold hairspray or lacquer before applying our making waves to add the finishing touch. Finally, Deluxe Materials offers these other useful products for your model railways, including foam armour, a hard and durable protective coating for foam terrain and landscaping work. It prevents surface damage and disintegration, plus it's easily paintable. And last of all, there's Create and Shape, for the casting and creating of tough, lightweight, custom-made groundwork, or coloured and textured terrain. Used for rock faces and colour with acrylic before applying. All these products have been carefully designed and tested especially for you. So make Deluxe Materials' range of high-quality model railway products a part of your hobby. Look for and ask for Deluxe Materials by name in your railway store. Don't forget, we provide you with detailed technical product information, how-to guides and instructional videos on our website, or visit our YouTube channel for more videos. Deluxe Materials, the strength inside your model.